Hi, hello everyone, and I'm Yudai of Fracton Ventures, also co-founder of Fracton. Fracton is like a Web3 incubator which is started from Japan, Tokyo. And we are, honestly, we have started to Tokyo, but like we have so many members from Asia, from India. Sidor is here, is the Indian member, and so many of members supporting on Fracton. So I'd like to speak about Fracton and what we do in Japan, and also as including like ecosystem differentiation. Yep. Thank you for taking the time, and thank you for giving us so much opportunity, Ingi. Thank you. Yeah, and Fracton is a company and which is started from 1.5 years ago. At the time, I am the Toshi. Where's Toshi? Oh yeah, he is here. He is the co-founder also. And another co-founder, 3 co-founders, including me, started the Fracton. Our slogan is very simple. We can DAO it. Please remember that. We can DAO it. Probably you can DAO it. Yes. Yeah. And also, as a Fracton is a really active ecosystem contributor, ecosystem creator in Japan, in Tokyo. When I started before starting a Fracton, I was working at Web2 incubator and probably like over a few hours at the time, and I saw many of like very interesting entrepreneurs from blockchain ecosystem in Japan. But at the time, VC couldn't understand the model and what is the opportunity, the possibility of blockchain and crypto. And after that, Japan, a huge exchange was hacked. So many like bad situation was happening in Japan. And so there's no innovation from Japan. I saw that situation was happened, I just decided, let's start to Fracton. This is a story of Fracton. Please next. Yeah, and skip this slide. Please next. Please next. Please next. Yeah. So as a Fracton is 3 different arms inside of Fracton. One is our mainly focusing theme, Web3 incubator. Now we are incubating. Now we are providing an incubation program as like as Fracton, as name as Fracton incubation in Japan, and also we have a plan to provide this program to like outside of Japan, including India, Southeast Asia. And also, a second phase is deeply researching on DAO governance right now. So probably you know that you have many tokens, right, inside of your wallet. This name is token, is governance token, right? But actually, how many times have you just voted in actual governance? So many of guys are just a token holder, do not want to enter to governance. This is the point, this is the program, we think so. So now we are researching on how to support more healthy DAO governance onboarding system right now. And also another one is Fractons are providing a venture studio. We created a joint venture named Meetup Tokyo. This is like a decentralized, 3D CG creation studio. So also we are building our own country on Decentraland. So we also partner with the Decentraland Foundation. And so we are creating our development on virtual states on Decentraland right now. And also another things are doing, we are creating a Friendship DAO and the Tokyo Frog Kings also. And outside of Fracton Ventures, I and Toshi and another 5 co-founders are operating a Next Wave Capital. This is like a global accelerator which can support, including financial supporting too. So we already invest in a famous project from Asia, including EtherSign is the Ethereum plus DocSign. So everyone can sign with actual contract using a MetaMask. This is a product. Please next. Please next. Yeah, and also last year we did. Oh, sorry, back to the slide. Okay, thanks. Last year we provided this incubation program for Japanese community first time, and now we are providing second batch of program providing right now. And this year we selected 9 projects from 70 applied from Japan. This is all Japanese founded project, and all project is focusing on open source and more fair community and the support to community and for expanding to ecosystem. Thanks. Yeah, and it's just so many investors, top talented guys are supporting to our community. So this is we are creating we are not just an incubator. We are creating an ecosystem. We are creating a community in Japan. Please. Yeah, and skip this slide. Yeah, and also our activity has published on Decrypt. This is one of the famous media in Crypt, and also the Chinese. Unfortunately, Chinese has closed right now, but they published our recently news. Yeah, please next, and skip this slide. Yeah, please. Yeah, and honestly, we are very close to Ethereum and the NEAR team. And at the NEAR side, we did our mentor at the NEAR India Accelerator program last year. Please. Yeah, and also got a partnership with many of our Web3 products protocol for adapting to actual users in Japan. Please. And also we are very close to our incubation and DAO partners. Probably States DAO is a very amazing project, and it has a huge potential. Seems from Korea to show to global. I think so. And honestly, DAO Square, Lumos Labs, Business Tribe, these guys are very friendly ecosystem partners of us. Please. And also now we are joining in a mentor in India Blockchain Accelerator. This accelerator has held by our Indian government lead it. Yeah, please. Yeah, about the next wave capital. Yes, and the next wave capital is a 10 million global accelerator. We can support to finance things, or probably focusing on early timing of phase is a really fit for this next wave capital. Before before finishing that, I'd like to share this. We three co-founders published this book in Japan already. This book is Web3 and DAO. This is the first book for covering to Web3 and DAO field. So hopefully this book will translate to Korean version and for publishing it. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for taking time.